friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 65?